Welcome friends, in this Hindi tutorial video series, you are going to learn present, past and future in Hindi. So let's begin. How to say in Hindi. Present indefinite tense, I work, मैं चलता हूँ. Present continuous tense, I am working, मैं चल रहा हूँ. Present perfect tense, I have worked, मैं चला हूँ. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been working, मैं चलता रहा हूँ. Past indefinite tense, I worked, मैं चलता था. Past continuous tense, I was working, मैं चल रहा था. Past perfect tense, I had worked, मैं चला था. Past perfect continuous tense, I had been working, मैं चलता रहा था. Future indefinite tense, I will work, मैं चलूँगा, मैं चलूँगा. Future continuous tense, I'll be working, मैं चलता रहूँगा, मैं चलता रहूँगा. Future perfect tense, I'll have worked, मैं चला होऊंगा, मैं चला होऊंगा. Future perfect continuous tense, I'll have been working, मैं चलता रहा होऊंगा, मैं चलता रहा होऊंगा. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe for more tutorial videos.